Anyverse is the perfect solution for generating high-quality synthetic data in a wide range of use cases. In the Resources window, we can select a base scene by double-clicking on it or by dragging it directly into the simulation. With this button, we can visualize its basic geometry in the viewport. Those blue lines represent the underlying information of the scene about roads, highways, sidewalks, or pre-configured sequence for moving entities, such as vehicles or people. Inside the simulation panel, we will find the Scene Locators node, where we can display all the locators associated with it. The locators are intended to host fixed entities. Fixed entities are the references to assets that will be rendered in the final image, offering the ability to perform changes for variations. Anyverse has a wide range of functions in order to populate and execute variations on the fixed entities according to our needs via scripting or by using the variation editor. Once our actors are right in the stage, we can apply behaviors to enable the movement of vehicles, characters, or any other entity. Next, we will create a camera linked to our sensor, ISP, and lens configuration. When these parameters are configured, we will make the necessary adjustments in the simulation properties, where we'll be able to configure settings for lighting conditions, weather, or simulation duration, among other things. Then, in the generator, we will configure the number of iterations or samples we want to achieve, and the aforementioned script to generate the specific variations. Once everything's configured, we will set up the target dataset. We will be able to create a new one with the desired channels for our ground truth and additional features. Finally, we will send to calculate the images and associated annotations. Once the process is finished, we can explore the samples right from the dataset inspector and download it to our hard disk so as to use it at our convenience. Make sure to check out the use case tutorials with a detailed step-by-step explanation of several sample scenes, as well as the online documentation to keep up to date with the last features.